Hi everyone, this is Pranita Kabra from Tradewaves. I am a trader, trainer, and a mentor in the field of stock markets. Here on this channel, I regularly keep on posting videos on market analysis and discuss various significant levels that one should keep an eye on. In a previous video on market analysis, I had clearly pointed out that the near term trend for Nifty remains positive. And bang on. Nifty closed near 15,700 levels, up by more than 600 points from the day when we had suggested a buy call in Nifty. That is the power of technical analysis. Well, what is the move in Nifty going further? Where are the markets headed? What are the significant levels that one should keep an eye on? Let's try to analyze the chart of Nifty and find out the answers to these questions. This is the daily chart of Nifty, and the first thing that we do when we look at the chart is draw a trend line. So let's try to draw a trend line by connecting the lows. This is the trend line that has been adhered to since the lows of March, and even now in April, prices respected this trend line and turned back on upside. Our first observation by looking at the chart is this trend line is serving as a very crucial level of support, and as long as prices remain above this support, bears should be very careful. You should be very careful while shorting Nifty. The second observation is prices broke above the rectangle continuation pattern on 18th of May 2021. And then after giving a pullback towards the upper channel line, Nifty is continuously giving higher highs. If you zoom in, you will be able to see that it was not even a single time that Nifty gave a close below the prior day's low. And therefore, as long as we do not see a close below the prior day's low, continue trailing the profits. What are the significant levels on upside that one should be careful about? One very important resistance in Nifty lies at around 15,820. How did we derive these levels? This level is derived by pattern analysis and gap theory. Well, if markets consolidate at around 15,820 and then you see a close below the prior day's low, that is the time one should take a decision of exiting the long positions. Or if by any chance tomorrow we see a gap down below 15,600 levels, that is the time you can exit your long positions. Until that happens, continue trailing your profits and continue to ride your profits as far as possible. The third question that you might be having is, can you still take positions in Nifty on long side at current levels? Well, prices are trading very close to resistance level. There is no favorable risk reward ratio suggested at current levels. If you apply Bollinger Bands, you will be able to find out that markets are trading near the upper Bollinger Band as of now. Also, RSI is still giving negative divergences against the price. Considering these facts, it is not advisable for swing traders to take long positions at current levels. Well, existing buyers can continue to ride the profits as long as you do not see a close below the prior day's low. Keep riding the profits and enjoy the profits. To learn about technical analysis, check out the details of the upcoming course in the comment section below. Be safe and happy trading.